Hi guys, I am Sonam. Welcome back, all of you listeners. I am coming giving the knowledge of this topic. Today is my topic population is problem in India. Listener, आज हम जनसंख्या वृद्धि के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे कि जनसंख्या वृद्धि अधिक से अधिक पूरी तरह से बढ़ती जा रही है और इसके फलस्वरूप जनसंख्या के दृष्टिकोण की वजह से अपना देश दूसरे नंबर पर है। तो आइए लिसनर इस टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन करते हैं और ये भी जानते हैं कि जनसंख्या वृद्धि से लोगों को क्या क्या नुकसान होते हैं और उनके रहन सहन में क्या परिवर्तन होता है। तो आइए लिसनर काफ़ी जानकारी लेते हैं और इसके नुकसान भी जानते हैं और कारण भी जान सकते हैं और प्रभाव भी जान सकते हैं। I think nowadays we are watching that become an issue for every country because population increased day by day. Problem in population. India have a second largest of our population. After China, the population is often a problem for both developing and developed nation. India occupies 2.4% of the world land area and supported for our 17.5% of the world population. The encouragement of population because we know that become an problem in developing for our nation because so that India is developing for our nation. So here the process of being for to developed we know that we occupies more the population in comparison land as we know that if the increase to continuously in the same speed then one day employment land food and education many more the types problem faced by future Asian. We know that if the backlog joint or his family they are no every children have not got all these facilities which they should get because family is expenditure is more than we easily understood the situation of India. We seen that graduate or postgraduate students are starting in home and they have no the jobs. This is main reason of unemployment because so that so unemployment and increase to for to population and because so that for to environment etc. Become main reason for to society. For many children do not understand what should the environment also harm from the because if the population for to poverty and unemployment and population etc. The population is the needs more and depression and for to environment the increase to population is the needs more. So human being started to cutting forest and their depression and make their factories and building it is not good for environment also because so that we cannot we cannot survive even live a single hour and because without trees we cannot survive even live and because so that unemployment and poverty etc. One day plant give oxygen and without oxygen cannot survive even live a single hour and depression and we are watching that water level also harm from the population for to environment and unemployment of this population in the place etc. And the increased man and the population is the temperature of earth increase to day by day changing of earth and for to temperature become an reason for to society and because so that become an reason for every country and for to environment and for many children do not understand what should the environment also harm from the population and increase to population and for to environment etc. Because so that the increased man and population and unemployment and poverty etc. The thief somewhere the population is the reason the population is the reason and behind this problem and collected to collected it and problem and because so that we are watching that become an population in the place and of this people of these people for to environment, etc. Thief somewhere the population is the reason of behind this problem. Everyone is connected to each other because so that uh, everything is very in employed and qualitative and etc. And because so that uh, increase to in the country, and because poverty and unemployment and population etc. I can say the population is the reason because so that of cutting forest, and the population is the for to environment of this people and in the place, and because so that uh, we are watching that become an issue for every place. uh, the population is the for two problem day by day changing of earth, and um, same in result for 2018. The population is the uh, temperature of earth, and increase to population is the uh, repairly of this people, and because so that the people every problem, and because so that जैसे कि मतलब I can say that, and listeners I cannot do Hindi, and because so that apologize, and unemployment, and because so that poverty in the place, and same in result for two in the country. The increased man of this people, and the increased man of this population is the uh, temperature of earth. The increased population for to repairly the can say नहीं sorry I can say that the population is the repairly, but after 10 or 20 year uh, the increasement of this problem and in the place and of this people, because so that uh, um, we are watching that population in the place, population is the very problem. The repairly of this pupil, and after that the increasement of this population is the for to repairly, and population is the control, and big in control. Thank you so much.